many of the misconceptions that the Kaaba is the center of the earth and the center of gravity are revealed. The magnetic field in the airspace above the Kaaba reaches to the maximum, preventing any movement of aircraft. Even the birds above it are afraid to fall on it. In which there is an opportunity to increase the honor of this place with a special kusia of Muslims based on a set of information and scientific analyses that are unfounded in the belief that this increases the honor of the Kaaba and is in the reach of these calls and scientific fabrications. When looking closely at the navigation map, we find that the area is prohibited flying if the magnetic field is not related to the prevention of flying over the Kaaba. Why? One of the Saudi aviation specialists, Hassan al-Ghamdi, removed this ambiguity and confusion in the case of preventing flying over the Kaaba, known himself as one of the supervisors of aviation, explained in a video circulation in a wide social networking sites, especially Twitter, that the prevention of flying over the skies of Mecca came to a number of reasons. The first reason is that the Mecca is an area dedicated to Muslims. It is not permissible for non-Muslims to enter this place. The great sanctity of our faith is Muslim. Since the two facades to the regions of Saudi Arabia are of different nationalities and religions, it was necessary to allocate land and air corridors within Mecca. When approaching the no-man's land of Mecca, there are private roads for non-Muslims away from Mecca, and there is no airport in Mecca. Pilgrims come to Jeddah via Jeddah International Airport or Madinah Airport. Land transportation. The second reason is that Mecca is a mountainous region, and it is known that the mountainous regions are working to inflate the sounds of airplanes flying over Mecca, which works to annoy the Muslims during their rituals and worship at the Holy Mosque, and is a factor of inconvenience and confusion on the communicators. The transfer of patients, and coordinate the path of pilgrims in the pilgrimage season, and for these reasons the area of Mecca was prohibited flying, and not because of the gaps in the air, or the area of a magnetic field, or the center of the land according to propaganda and slander. Some